we would like to welcome you all on behalf of Independent Research Ethics Society, AYUSH Samriddhi International Webinar Series at milestone of 2738. Thank you. Thank you for your overwhelming support and inspiration, which is energizing me. Dr. Avtar sir is also our pillar of AYUSH Samriddhi. Dr. Nishant Shuklaji is also our pillar of AYUSH Samriddhi. So, today at 2738th milestone, we would like to welcome Ayurveda Ratna Dr. Ayur Avtar, Dr. Avtar Singh, renowned herbal medicinal practitioner, founder Siddha Ayurvedic Clinic, Academy and Research Center from London, UK. Welcome, sir. Welcome. After 2 days, we will be having Mental Health Day, celebrating definitely. So, just a sec, sir.
हेलो,
Yes,
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आवाज आ रही है सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू पवन जी. दिस इज द very good subject actually nowadays, especially mental health is biggest issue nowadays. Reason, lot of people mentally they are disturbed from the work, from the relations, from the health. They don't know how they sort out these problems because mind is all the brain have too much pressures on every human being. They are all the time in tense, depression, stress. Many people get BP, blood pressures, many health issues. They can't sleep properly. They can't digest properly, don't eat on the time. Lot of pressure on the lifestyle. That is also one biggest reason for mental issues. Actually, they are not mental issues, in my point of view. They are actually symptom of the brain is not handling their situations. All 80% people nowadays, they are in the stress. They can't manage their lifestyle. That is the biggest problem. With the lifestyle, they need a lot of money. They want a lot of show of things. When people are living very simple life, they never have the problem like this one nowadays. This is the main reason, all the mental health. And when they have sleeplessness, other area, then they start taking a lot of medications. With those medications, all the medication, 90% what they're taking, they have the side effects. This is the facts of the life. This is the reality. That time, if they sit down, or I think they need the counseling, or they have to think about their self. Everybody is more educated than 50 years ago. 50, 60 years ago, people were not like education like this system. Now is 90% people are educated. That time was 10% people are educated. Now more education, more lifestyle become the big. The simple people, they were not educated, but they were living very healthy and good life. They have the good brain. They are very intelligent. Their health was better. Their brain was better. Maybe we think they are not clever enough, but they are clever enough. They know health is most important than the lifestyle. Now people, they don't bother the health. They want to maintain their lifestyle. They want to nice everything in the house, everything when they go out, they want to look better, look luxurious people. There's no limit now. Everyone need luxury life. Less exercise, luxury life, give them more health problems. 200 yards, they want to go buy something, they need the car or motorbike. They don't want to walk. They don't want to do exercise. They don't want to sleep properly. They're watching a lot of things. This is the reason only brain can handle limited things. Brain can't say, sorry, I can't work for you. What we saying all the time, brain, if we're using too much, we also have to limit. When we tired, what we do? Oh, give me a cup of coffee, black coffee. Give me tea. Give me something. They're taking extra work from the brain. That is the reason our brain, nervous system, they become very, very unsettled. When brain is become unsettled, our gut become unsettled. Sometimes gut is not settled, brain become unsettled, but when brain is like this one, who have the mental issue, who have the other things, they think that is the reason. One is biggest reason, but some people are very heavily mentally disturbed, which one they need the very big medication, look after them. That is a different issue. How can we control them? Everyone knows nowadays. They are very intelligent. Everybody is intelligent. If you try to teach them, if you try to tell them, they don't bother. There's no any medication. Only medication they can give it to you to sleep. And sleeping pills are also have a lot of side effects. They're not sleeping on time, not eating on time. If they start lifestyle reasonably, nicely living style, change the lifestyle of how they living they are, how they thinking they are. If they have I told many times this one, what they earning, they should live under that earning. Not borrowing the money from the people, from the bank, from the friends. The extra pressure. Nowadays, many people complained, oh, someone took the help, they not give them back because they don't have that one. But stress go both way. Who took it, maybe he have the stress, but who gave them money, they are in the trouble with the friendship. This is the biggest problem. All the people are confused. They start trying to cheating everything. Once it doesn't matter if somebody cheats somebody, internal system never forgive him. They know what they done the mistake. That unconscious stay in the brain. Memories stay in the brain. They not bother, but still They're hitting. They know internal what I done the wrong. That is making nervous system breakdown, they call. If people want, you ask me what we can do it, I definitely tell people, if you want to, I always say, forgive, but don't forget. People say forgive and forget. No, I say no. Forgive, don't forget, learn the lesson. Don't do that same mistake with somebody else. But what mistake you done, learn the lesson from there. You don't have to go in the same class again. A problem is, doesn't matter who close, if they're very, very needy, help them, not for the luxury life somebody's. Be careful when you're helping somebody, because person when help, nowadays everybody have hand to mouth. Doesn't matter how much they are earning. They're making their lifestyle bigger. And secondly, check up your all the time, at least once a year. Other thing, I tell one thing. If you are between 40 and 45, 50, if you don't have any health problem, you have to once a year check up your full blood checkup. If you got over 50, you have to at least twice a year. If you are over 60, you have to at least 3 times a year. Over 60 to 70, you have to at least every 3 months. What spend money, you have to save it, keep it if you want to live old age, healthy life. Then believe me, if you follow these things, I can share in our group that one, what kind of blood checkup I design, many things inside, I give to my every patient. Do that one, then you know what is the system is. Don't take unnecessary medications. Check up. Save your money for yourself. Nowadays, biggest problem, we not spending on ourselves, we spending on the luxury life, clothes, everything, also spending on other people to show off the parties. You are living in your body. You are responsible for that one. Your body carry you everywhere. If you are not doing this one, then you are on the wheelchair, or some other people who are carrying you start. And you have to pay to them big amount. If you are looking after your body, your internal system, then you can help somebody else. Otherwise, you need help, and that time you spend the money maybe 50 times more. That is, I designed that one. As we spoken before, if you look after, start love, first love should be your body, to yourself. Then you can help your wife, help your children, help your parents, help your friend. If you are not able to look after yourself, how can you help somebody else? Charity begins from home, people say. Your body is your home. Your system is your home, where you living, where you want to live. If you follow these kind of things, then is your mind also stays, work what you can do it, not overwork. Sleep well, eat well. Doesn't matter, you can wear the cotton clothes, no need luxury clothes. You can wear the small chappal, doesn't matter. I seen the people at the age of 60, their children, they want to show off too much. Suit, boot, this thing, that thing. The buying, no need that one. Our old people, our parents or our thing, they're living very simple life. But their health was, I was surprised, I seen that one. They never eat anything, never have the headache. But when we have the, if I tell you again, I told before, if your body start giving any sign, Headache, people think there is nothing is normal. No, headache is the biggest sign of your body. Your system is not working properly. When you are too much time, you taking too much, then your telomeres are becoming weak. Slow down. Then you are getting lot of things, tiredness, wrinkles on your face. If you do the good diet, eat reasonably. I always say if you are over 60, eat only 70%. If you do 60%, you are more better. Drink more water. Eat the fruits. If you look after that one, then mind also stay stable. You can sleep well. People who have the mental issues, they need to proper checkup. There's when I learned the Ayurveda, they call this one is main culprit of the kapha in body. I always say this one. Any disease come, they call Sodavi Marj. They call. When they mixed up with the other, mental health people are not the same kind of the condition. They have the different kind of the symptoms. You have to be then find out take them any good doctor, your area, who can diagnose is vata, pitta or kapha, okay, which one is mixed with the other one. Just do the balance, then they start becoming normal. They have the medication in Ayurveda, so lot of medication inside. We have to settle their brain again. They are disturbed people. They are not sick. Their brain is too much disturbed, then they can't handle. Maybe they are very, very aggressive in their life. Maybe they don't know how to handle that one. Nowadays, most of the children or this one from last, I see 40, 50 years, we're not teaching our children how to manage their life. We're giving them everything. What they want doesn't matter. Then they want everything. Whole life. They don't want to work. They don't want to go. They want anything to do. This is the reason there's no any one medication for that one. Their lifestyle should be changed. Their food should be changed. If they are sick, then they need to be find out what kind of dosha is aggressive, is with the pitta and kapha is mixed up, then they're not the same medication. In Ayurveda, so many medication is which kind. If they gut problem, give them gut medication. If they are not sleeping, there's not.
सर, तो मैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का एक बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन है, तो मैं शेयर कर दूं आप?
जी, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
अभी समय है, आज भी 3 वेबिनार हो जाएंगी. कल सी तबीयत रहे मालूम नहीं.
बिल्कुल. What is that one?
Yes. ये नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन का एक बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन.
Please share.
मैं 10 मिनट लेना चाहूंगा आदरणीय गुरुदेव. क्या है एक्चुअली व्हाट इज मेंटल हेल्थ? सबसे पहले WHO, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ? बिकॉज वी आर celebrating Mental Health Day, which is being celebrated on 10th of October every year by WHO. So this is from our Indian version of that. So mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own ability, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. That,
Mhm.
that is the definition of WHO.
Mhm.
Mentally healthy person can think clearly, number one, enjoy good relationship with others,
Mhm.
can cope with the normal stresses of life and solve problems, can work productively and make contribution to the community. It is based on the this WHO definition. So, exercise, what exercise can be done? This is our yoga and important points to remember. Mental health is not just the absence of disorder. No, if nothing is there, that means everybody is healthy mentally. It is not there. Mental health and physical health go hand in hand. अपने यहाँ भी कहा है कि यदि मन में है तो शरीर में साइकोसोमेटिक डिसऑर्डर आ ही जाएंगे. Mental health is important for individual, family, community and national well-being. ये अपनी इंडिया का प्रेजेंटेशन है. नो हेल्थ विदाउट मेंटल हेल्थ. बहुत अच्छा अच्छा डायलॉग लगा. नो हेल्थ विदाउट मेंटल हेल्थ.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. राइट.
It is everyone's responsibility to take care of our and others' mental health. अपनी भी और दूसरों की भी मेंटल हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना हर आदमी की जिम्मेदारी है. अब बात आई व्हाट आर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर. पर्सन एबिलिटी टू थिंक, फील एंड बिहेव, ये जब अफेक्टेड हो जाए वो अफेक्ट करती है रिलेशनशिप्स को, काम को. तो ये वाली चीज में तीनों में व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट यू डू एंड हाउ यू फील. व्हाट यू थिंक सब में ये घर में घूमता रहता है आदमी. कैटेगरी, यदि मैं बात करूं कैटेगरी की, तो कैटेगरी जो मेंटल हेल्थ डिसऑर्डर है, कॉमन मेंटल डिसऑर्डर, डिप्रेसिव, सैड मूड, एंजाइटी, फियर एंड वरी, सोमेटिक, बॉडीली सिम्टम. सीवियर मेंटल डिसऑर्डर में साइकोसिस, हियरिंग वॉइसेस. साइकोसिस में क्या होता है? आवाजें सुनाई पड़ती हैं. हियरिंग वॉइसेस, seeing things, people, what is not there, feelings, things on skin, means that is not there, but he is feeling, patient is feeling. Unreal belief, that is in psychosis, and then mood disorder. These are severe mental disorder. Child and adolescent mental disorder, IDD, intellectual development disability, ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ODD, oppositional deficient order, conduct disorder, neurological conditions, dementia, epilepsy. All of these are mental disorder. So we have to take care of all of these. Substance use disorder, alcohol, tobacco, other illegal substances, ganja, hashish, etc. Then suicide, ideation, behavior, thoughts and plans about killing self. So just see how many now factors affecting mental health. What are those factors? Number one, biological factor. If we say chemical imbalance in brain, genetics, brain injury, chronic illness, medications, these are the factors, biological factors affecting mental health. Events in childhood, violence and abuse, emotional neglect, death of a parent. So these affect definitely to a child's mind. Then psychological factors, poor self-esteem, negative thinking. Then social factor, family conflict, poverty, unemployment, poor housing, infertility. These are the problems. Causes, no single cause, combines of factor, stressful life, biological factor, psychological factor, adverse childhood events. बार बार पीछे चला जाता है भाई.
कोई बात नहीं.
Symptoms indicating problem है, probable mental health problem. ऐसे क्या लक्षण है जिससे कुछ मामला मालूम पड़े कि ये मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है. फिजिकल में दर्द होने लगे, नींद डिस्टर्ब हो, भूख डिस्टर्ब हो, वीकनेस लगे, थिंकिंग में कंसंट्रेशन डिस्टर्ब हो, मेमोरी डिस्टर्ब हो जाए, जजमेंट फॉल्स, मतलब कुछ कर ही नहीं पाए आदमी, फॉल्स बिलीफ, ये जब हो जाए तो अपने को समझना चाहिए कि ये हम ना कहीं मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम में अपन जा रहे हैं. साइकोलॉजिकल में सैड मूड, लॉस ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, एक्सेस फियर, तो ये भी एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. बिहेवियरल में एग्रेशन, एक्सेस स्पीच, बहुत बड़बोलापन, आइसोलेशन, सेल्फ हार्म, इमेजिनिंग में वॉइसेस, पीपल थिंग्स. ट्रीटमेंट क्रॉनिक इफ लेफ्ट अनट्रीटेड. आयुर्वेद में बहुत ट्रीटमेंट है डेफिनेटली. शुरुआत में एडवोकेसी, काउंसलिंग, इनके हिसाब से, अपने हिसाब से भी काउंसलिंग और सारा सुथरा से ब्राह्मी पट्टी वगैरह बहुत सारे मेथे फॉर्मुलेशन है शुरुआती स्टेज में. ज्यादा है तो उनके लिए भी अलग अलग फॉर्मूले मौजूद हैं. ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात आती है. की फैक्ट्स, यदि हम बात करें क्या इनके विषय में फैक्ट है, टेक अवे. कैन अफेक्ट एनीवन, मैन, वुमेन, रिच, पुअर. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई इसके चंगुल से बचा हुआ है. कॉमन, वेरी कॉमन. 1 in 5 एडल्ट मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम के शिकार हैं. दे डोंट ऑलवेज लुक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर. कोई अंतर नहीं दिखेगा, नॉर्मली आदमी रहेंगे. रेंज फ्रॉम कॉमन टू सीवियर कंडीशन, मोर देन जस्ट स्ट्रेस. केवल स्ट्रेस नहीं है ये, मे बी ब्रीफ और लॉन्ग टर्म दोनों ही हो सकते हैं उनको. अफेक्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, वर्क, रिलेशनशिप, सबको ये डिस्टर्ब करता है. इफेक्ट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ऑन एंटायर फैमिली, अकेला वही नहीं भोगता है, उसके साथ पूरा उसका परिवार, सर्कल, कुटुंब सब भोगता है उसके साथ, भले ही वो नॉर्मल दिखता हो. इफेक्टिव फॉर्म्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट मौजूद है इसके लिए, तो उतना घबराने की बात नहीं है. थैंक यू फॉर पेशेंट लिसनिंग. अब मैं आदरणीय अवतार सर को उनके कमेंट्स के लिए प्रार्थना करता.
Thank you very much. In the beginning, I told there's 80% people are suffering. So they say 5 in 1 and very much similar. And secondly, what you said, what the guideline is, everything, we can't explain too much. Simple, Pawanji, people come to me, then need the counseling actually, to need to teach them how can they live in their limit. They're very simple, very truthful life. Look after what they have to. They have to be learn how to live in those kind of income. If as I found biggest the to save them, the biggest idea. If somebody doing problem, friendly talk once, second time leave them alone. If somebody giving you the mentally distress, mentally problem, don't talk to them. Stop them, keep away from your life. Otherwise, you again and again become in the stress. Sometime in the family, people, everybody take the opportunity. Keep away from opportunist people. Keep away from liars. Keep away from users. Keep away from the abusers. If you do, but if you people start learn this way, Their life is happy. Because we don't need hundreds friend. We need no need quantity of the friend. We need quality of the friends. Quality life, quality friend. Quality life not means the very luxury life. Our body don't bother what you putting or wearing. Our body is only response what we thinking, what we getting from other people, what kind of the behave, what kind of relation, what we eating. And if three things you not putting in your body nice thing, then you definitely get the problem. In the petrol car, you can't put paraffin, you can't put diesel inside, you can't put any other things. You have to learn what is your requirement, what is your limit. You have to be, person should have to decide what is his body's limit. Everybody's brain is different. Everybody's different strength of the body. Don't work too much. Don't abuse. I say, don't abuse your body. Do what your body allow. Think, manage your brain, manage your body. If somebody giving you stress, you have to be managed. They don't know. Maybe they know, but they don't bother. If somebody don't bother you, they don't care about you, don't fight with them. Don't say wrong, good, bad or anything. Just keep away from them. That is the only solution. If you involve, if you already stuck inside, then which blood test I design, you can find everything inside. And you can find the all picture of your internal brain, everything, all the organs, all the endocrine system. And that is, I say, keep one good physician in your life, like you keeping one mechanic. If you stuck somewhere, if you involve in this kind of mental health, don't ignore them. That situation should not be ignored. If you ignore, because that giving you the stress, you have to find out the good physician, good counselor. They can manage your life. You can talk with your friend. You can no need to go to pay to any counselor. You can talk with your good friend. You can talk to your parents or your children. This kind of suffering, they can help you. Nowadays, people are cutting off from each other. Parents don't want to talk. They are lot hurt sometimes from the children. They don't want to tell the children, oh, maybe they get stressed. Children sometimes think their parents don't need to talk with their dad, we don't mom. Talk. Family friendly atmosphere, make it that one. If you do that one, we can reverse without any medication. But if the medication required, then you have to be, actually the system become toxified. I treated Alzheimer, I treated the ADHD, I treated the autism. I have the record, that one. No need sleeping pills anymore. Your systems can start work. Once your system is polluted, I say, brain is become the polluted from the wrong people. Pollution is not only in the air, pollution is also in the relations. Until your brain is polluted from the wrong things, which one your brain not allow, but you are suffering silently. Don't suffer silently. Don't give too much chance to anybody who's abusing and giving you the hard time unnecessary. If you are fault, you have to be apology. If you are right, you don't have done any mistake, don't let somebody give you the hard time. This is the biggest problem nowadays. People say, okay, leave it, don't worry, he's like that one, she's like that. No, you have to be, otherwise the next time they do abuse you more. Talk to them. If they don't want to talk to them, say, thank you very much. Thank you very much means completely. Otherwise, they are enjoying. And after person you become the mentally problem, they say is bloody like this one, always not listening to anybody. They give you the hard time and they making laugh on you. I seen the people. So don't let other people drive you. If you need advice, tell them, when I need your advice, I can. Be a little firm. Put your foot down to look after your health, look after your brain, look after. If you need that, you learn yourself. If somebody abusing and giving you the problem, please, if mental health is not coming naturally, only maybe 10%, 5% people naturally become the, there are so many reasons when they born or something like this one. But I think 70, 80% people are suffering because from the relations, from the friends, they call so-called friends, but so many abusive people, so many sometimes cheaters you find, then you can't handle. When you hurt from somebody unnecessary, when you not done the mistake, you still, people start giving you, they're making joke on you. You have become the hard time, maybe your partner, maybe your, anybody can come. Until you not handle yourself, you are responsible, you can do it. Just think, always think this one, yes, I am my own boss. Do the right thing. I'm always say anybody, if you keep your life truthful, don't cheat anybody, you believe or not believe, you can see internal how strong you are. You can manage any situation. You can fight with any kind of disease. You can fight with any kind of stupid person. This is the very important. All that they mention, these are many things I'm not agreed with them. This is the in my experience, because I done the cases that like this one. They say the brain is dead. Brain is no brain is never dead. That was when I started nearly 15, 20 years ago, Alzheimer's research. But if a brain is dead, how can my patient become normal? After 15 years, how can remember everything? Brain is never dead. They are thinking I'm not against them. What anybody think, I don't bother. What is my experience? What I'm telling, that I got the proof, that one, evidences. With the Ayurveda, I make their brain, same cells were working. And this is the, I always say in my lectures, until we are alive, our every organ is live. Every organ is useful. Every organ can come back. Until we are alive. When we are dead, everything is dead. This is my theory. Many people, they think of what he's saying this one, but I am saying, because I reverse nearly 52 autoimmune diseases. Biggest is ADHD, autism. They are working now. They're going full-time school, those children. Only 2 people came to me for Alzheimer. They both are reversed, that one. Both, I sent the picture last time. There's one is a 99 plus year lady. She had lot of other problems. She last stage of cancer. Hospitals say they can't survive anymore. They can't. But on that stage, they contact with me. And after 15 years, I got nearly 15, 20 videos. They start she remember everything. Remember her children and other person. After the brain start working, he start doing yoga, he start doing gym, he start playing cricket, he start playing football. We have the videos. And he wrote so many letters to me. Nearly 12 page he wrote the A4 size for the Gita and translated, not just wrote the copy, he translated into the English. Because I don't know their language, I can't mention his name. When he say I wrote this one, I say, my friend, I don't know your language. He was Gujarati. I say, I don't know the Gujarati, but write in the English. He translated. I got the proof of that one. But when I said this one, people say, how can we this one? There's no any treatment for this one. What is the bloody this thinking? They have to, everybody is, remember my friends, I'm telling the world what is my research. Until person is alive, every organ can reverse. Maybe not the 100%, but we can make person's life livable. That is more than enough. If somebody 20 years abused with the wrong medication, abused with the health problem, if after 20 years, 15 years, he start livable life, he start remembering, we can't make them a wrestler after that one. We can't make them the scientist after that one. But they live life, they can nicely eat, they know what we're eating. In the Alzheimer patient, mostly their muscle of the mouth, they can't work that one, they can't swallow. My patient, you can see the eating, the full plate and enjoying. So Ayurveda can reverse these kind of things. Same mental health. If we find what is the actually reason, they need the counseling, they need the, when stage go on the very bad, then you definitely need the treatment. They sitting or sleeping pills, not the solution. Sleeping pills make their brain more worse. Don't give them sleeping pills, please. Find out in your area any good physician. If somebody want to discuss with me, they can come on your program. They can ask you. We definitely help them. It's very painful when somebody inside the family, they have the mental disturbance. Not as you told, as IUMST, World Health Organization told, the family disturbed. But don't give them sleeping pills, please, for God's sake. We don't need sleeping pills for those things. Anybody want to any questions? I think it's enough, and we can. I can give the answer of those people. My friends, anybody can ask the questions. If any questions.
क्वेश्चन एक ही है सर, ऐसा बच्चे क्या करें माँ बाप के साथ कि माँ बाप हमेशा मेंटल स्टेट वेल बीइंग में रहे?
Parents well-being में रहे. Parents should keep everything in limit. Don't do over the limit for anything, anybody. Last program, I told them they have to keep it for your life, like a rainy season. If they don't do that one, why old people become the disturbed or go to the mental health? Because they lost everything. When person lose everything, then they all the time thinking we had this one, now we have nothing. Who done with us? Only keep or give something to your children, anybody. I openly say, what is, think about your life. If somebody want to go to from Bombay to Delhi, he have to keep their food with them. No? He have to be manage what cost inside. If somebody want to live 100 years, and after retirement, they should keep their budget. Not give to everybody, trust to everybody. Trust them. If they are good, still trust. If they are good, in the put kahe dhan sanche, put kahe dhan sanche. If they are good, they can look after you without but you give them a good education, that's your duty.